Hi guys, welcome to Royal Logos. It's my pleasure to have you here and I really hope that you all are doing well. In this video, I will demonstrate you that how can we extract a logo design idea for a company that is providing mechanical watches. So without wasting any time, let's continue with the brief that we received from the client. So the client says that the company is called Tempo Distribution Limited. It's a new brand that is focused on distribution and retail of mechanical watches. So the logo design should be suitable for business to business and business to customer bases. Our watches incorporate a fully mechanical movement. And I would like the logo to be focused on wrist watches and specially mechanical, not digital. We also provide fully specialized watchmaking tools. Color choice that I have in mind is gold and black. We are looking for a design that has corporate visual impact with minimal but relevant details. So the major points that I extracted from this brief, first of all, it's the name of the company, or you can say the name of the logo, which is Tempo Distribution Limited. And the second one is that they are focused on distribution and retail of mechanical watches. And the third one is that they are focused on wrist watches which have mechanical movement, not digital. And the fourth one is about color choice, which is gold and black. Now, let's continue with the mind mapping process to design our logo for Tempo Distribution Limited. First of all, if we want to continue with the letter logo design, then we can use the initial letter T, or we can also use the combination of letter T and letter D. And if we want to continue with the relevancy of watches, then we can use a vectorized version of a watch design. And to differentiate between the wristwatches and the wall clock, we can also use a strap within the design to focus only on wristwatches. We can also use different kinds of watchmaking tools because the company is also providing these tools. We can also use a circular arrow in the clockwise direction to represent the watch movement. And the most important point in this logo is that the watches provides a fully mechanical movement, not digital. And the best way to represent the mechanical feature, we can use a gear design within the logo. This will clearly and efficiently portray that this watch is providing the mechanical movement, not digital. And now to design our logo, I have decided to continue with the combination of two elements, the watch design and a gear. And after sketching different designs, this simplified version was the final. And now let's break down this one to understand the background logic. Now this part represents the watch and this one represents the gear for the mechanical movement. Now this is the logo with the minimal but relevant details. Now you can share your thoughts about the design in the comments section, that whether you liked it or not, or if you want to suggest any modification. And you can also see the detailed project on Behance. The link is given in the description. Now, if you think that this video helps you in some way, then like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.